Hey, I'm Jonathan with Indiana Metal. Today we're going to show you how to prep a standing seam panel to hook a drip edge on an eave. We're going to be working with a 24 gauge, 1.5 inch tall standing seam panel that has a nail flange. It's what we call our MP150. The techniques are going to be the same for pretty much all standing seam. So it's a pretty simple thing to do, can be done fairly quickly with the right tools. The things you're going to need are going to be red snips, green snips, some sort of notching tool that does at least 1 inch, and a bending bar. Just an HVAC bending bar works pretty good. Tip on these things, if you actually want to cut them down to be the width of the panel, it does make things a little bit easier. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use an 18-inch wide one. So we're going to start off with our notchers. We're going to start on the male leg, insert them to get the full 1 inch depth, and make your first notch. Come in on the female leg, same thing, full 1 inch notch, and then hit the top of the female leg. So once you're done making those 3 notches, switch to your green snips, and you're going to come over here on the male leg and come in at a slight angle and snip to the top of your notch. Putting that angle on there will keep that from fouling into your female leg and opening up the bend over we're getting ready to do right now. So take your snips, come on this side, you're going to cut this side back. Then you can simply push this leg over and come in from the bottom. And that's going to leave you covering your end there. So now you'll take your bending bar, you're going to slip it over the end of your panel here. Once it's in, striations do kind of make this a little bit hard to put on there, but once it's in, give it a couple taps with your hand, fold it around. So that's one prepped panel. To kind of show you what it looks like out in the field, put tools here in the belt. Go a little bit quicker now. I'll come in. Grab your greens. Kind of tap that, makes it a little bit easier. As you can see, with a little bit of practice, it goes pretty quick.